Together we have made Dutchess County a place that shares the burden, rewards hard work, lifts up our neighbors, and welcomes human diversity. No matter where you come from or how long you've called this community home, no matter your income, the color of your skin, your religious belief, we encourage you to come together to confront the challenges that face us. We encourage you to hold us accountable, to question government, to demand accessibility, to demand responsiveness, and to demand responsibility from those who hold elected office. You have a right. You have a right to question your government and to expect from us that we will do what's right for the people who call Dutchess County home. And we have done this for the last 4 years. So it is with great enthusiasm and the same level of commitment that 17-year-old had those 20-some-odd years ago that today I announce my intention to run for re-election and seek a second term as your county executive.